Welcome to Thailand. This is a quick vlog on Thailand and what to expect when traveling. So, let's get into it.
Today I'm taking you on a 9,142-mile adventure through Thailand. Buckle up because we're about to explore temples, delicious food, majestic elephants, beaches, and vibrant shopping scenes. Things to know. Don't ever talk about the king. You should definitely take the tuk-tuk. Thailand has over 41,000 temples, and 7-Eleven is your friend. Essentials. $1 US equals 20 baht. Don't be afraid to barter. Thai and English are the primary languages. Me and the crew kick things off with a tour of some incredible temples. Our first stop was Wat Pho, also known as the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. This massive golden Buddha statue is truly awe-inspiring, and it's only $5 to get in. Next we explored Wat Hao Lamphong, a beautiful temple with intricate carvings and a peaceful atmosphere. We couldn't leave Bangkok without experiencing its amazing food scene. So we took a class at the Siamese Cookery House, learning to cook authentic Thai dishes and explore the market.
The white for dessert and the brown one for food. Contains a lot of oil. Yes.
When I think of your mercy, Lord, you've done too much. Gotta add it up. You know life gets tiring, but I still praise Yahweh. Giving thanks, should've been sleep down in an early grave. Always
And the food easily rival top Thai restaurants.
I say thank you, I'm so grateful. You gave me all these talents, so I stay
We
faithful.
cooked tom yum soup, pad Thai, and sweet mango rice. You got some good food? We hopped on a plane and headed south to the stunning island of Phuket. Airbnb in Phuket was amazing. Probably one of the biggest Airbnbs for the price. Everybody had their own floor, really.
Thank God for keeping me, thank God for blessing me. Even when a brother ain't got no salary, you are the music, you are the melody. Even when I ain't got saucy the recipe, you always say that you handle my enemies. Don't worry about it, just focus on family. Thanks for making the world such a masterpiece. So he said and all and said, I gotta count them up. You know the Lord is a good, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
first adventure in Phuket was visiting the elephant family Phuket. Here, these gentle giants are treated with respect and care without supporting any kind of animal cruelty. It was great feeding the elephants. I really respected their power because they were telling us if we held on to the banana paws too tight, they could rip our arm off. So we were all being extra cautious. It was cool taking pictures by these huge animals. I can only imagine what the African elephants are like. This easily was one of my favorite parts of the trip. Actually, no. This was my favorite part of the trip. This was the highlight. For sure. Next day, we embarked on a snorkeling trip to the Phi Islands. It was raining. Nobody wanted to get on the front of the boat. So me, Daniel, and Silburn got to experience the rain in our faces. But the sun came back out, and everybody wanted to get in the front. The captain told them, no, only y'all. So, we got that special privilege.
You gotta go through the rain sometimes, but when the sun comes out, you get to enjoy it.
Make sure you keep on your swim shoes because there's some sharp coral and they say you can cut your feet open. As you can see, we headed to a modern shopping mall for a change of pace. From high-end brands to local designers, Bangkok has something for everyone. day market was pretty cool. They had a lot of things for a pretty good price. Shirts, jewelry, food, pretty much everything. So shout out to this amazing husband and wife team who made my bracelet for me. They're pretty cool.
I was doing a video.
Way back home, well, on my way back home, I had a layover in South Korea. I got to explore the airport, some cool features and hidden gems, and I had to say this was my favorite airport. It had free showers, free games, stores of course, entertainment without even having to have a Delta Club or any of the airline clubs. So, hands down, South Korea. You got a layover for sure. This trip to Thailand and South Korea was an incredible adventure filled with beautiful sights, delicious food, amazing experience, great friends, and some serious, well, no. I didn't do a lot of souvenir shopping, but it was cool. If you're balling on a budget, it's perfect. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments below which part of the trip you found most interesting. Thanks for watching and happy travels.